Bullish Bitcoin gold cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $79.63 and $150.41 by 2030. Market examiners expect BTG could reach $61.93 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin gold market cost expectation for 2023 is $14.16. Bitcoin gold presentation. Bitcoin gold is a fork of the Summit coin Bitcoin, made in 2017 to furnish a stage that arrangements with the versatility constraints of the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin versatility issue focuses to the powerlessness of the Bitcoin organization to handle an enormous number of exchanges all the while, bringing about regular organization blockages and, subsequently, a climb in exchange expenses on the organization. This issue is credited to the restricted size and recurrence of the blocks on the blockchain network. On the Bitcoin organization, a typical block creation time is 10 minutes, with a block size of 1 megabyte, making a handling capacity of around 3.4 to 7 exchanges each second. While this was fine when Bitcoin was traded for pizzas and moved among moderately close and hardly any organizations of clients, it turned into a test as the crypto market traffic rose to many million exchanges. As a feature of endeavors to make a more versatile organization, Bitcoin Gold was made to turn into an easy-to-use elective. As one of the primary forks of the Bitcoin network, Bitcoin Gold held the security and solidness of the Bitcoin chain, however, with further developed innovation for adaptability and extension. The organization intends to give a coin the qualities and capacities of the Bitcoin, however, without its shortcomings. Consequently, it got rid of the Bitcoin hash power assets and set out open doors for decentralized finance and dApps to utilize the stage, an extravagance which was at first unimaginable on the Bitcoin network. What is Bitcoin Gold? Bitcoin Gold was established by Yin Hang and Kevin Martin, the computerized resource meant to make an undertaking with the capacities of the Bitcoin blockchain with new inventive increments for outsider turn of events and decentralized applications. One of its greatest longings is to change the Bitcoin mining process through the confirmation of work agreement calculation, which settles the versatility challenges that limit the dramatic extension of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin Gold is an open-source convention that gives a stage to engineers to take part in the blockchain's turn of events and administration. The organization considers unhindered support a necessity for advancing expanded cooperation and decentralized applications. Bitcoin Gold is a digital currency with the basic qualities of the Bitcoin. Yet rather than mine on modern ASIC mining equipment, which will in general make a couple of conspicuous and powerful players because of the expense-concentrated nature of the mining equipment, Bitcoin Gold is mined utilizing straightforward realistic handling units mining plans, making a level battleground for any intrigued person to partake in the organization. This makes genuine decentralization and freedom. With this plan of Bitcoin Gold, it genuinely thought mining prizes wouldn't be moved in that frame of mind of a couple of ASIC mining ranch proprietors. However, all things considered, tips would be spread across people all around the organization. Bitcoin Gold purposes the evidence of work agreement calculation. Not at all like Bitcoin, it presents the equihash POW, making GPU mining conceivable. Bitcoin Gold current cost. Bitcoin Gold is as of now worth $17.69 USD. BTG has moved 4.86% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,967,174. Bitcoin Gold is as of now positioned 116 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $288,509,751 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin Gold to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Bitcoin Gold market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Bitcoin Gold value expectation 2023. Bitcoin Gold, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The BTG cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $26.54. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $24.77 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. BTG is supposed to have a base worth of $21.23. Bitcoin Gold value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Bitcoin Gold BTG cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BTG will before long outperform $44.24. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the BTG's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BTG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $35.39 and a typical exchanging cost of $38.93. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $61.93 and BTG might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. BTG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $56.62 and a low of $53.08 in 2025. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Bitcoin Gold effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the BTG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BTG will be green in 2026. The BTG is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $79.63, with a base cost of $70.78 and a typical cost of $74.32. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the BTG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $92.01 by 2027, with a base cost of $88.47 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, BTG has a greatest value worth of $97.32. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $109.71. In the event that BTG figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $115.02. Neglecting to assemble the help BTG needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $106.17. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2029. While BTG is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $123.86 and a yearly cost close above $132.71 in 2029. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin Gold will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $141.56 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $150.41, averaging out at $145.10. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest BTG cost in